We've got 3 more new special sounds. Remember, you need to listen to it how many times? 3 times. Then you try and say it with me. So your ears are listening, your eyes are watching, and your mouth is getting ready to try it. So TW says tw, tw. TW says tw, like in twins. Remember, twins are brother and sister, or sister and sister, or brother and brother who were born on the same day at the same time. Maybe just a couple minutes apart. So we have TW says tw, like in twins, or in twig. Ooh, this one is a long one. SPL. Listen really carefully. All 3 letters. SPL. Say spool. Spool. SPL says spool. Can you try and say that? It's a lot of sounds. Spool. SPL says spool, like in splash. Here's another one that's 3 sounds. Are you ready? SPR says spur. Spur. SPR says spur, like in sprain. She hurt her ankle. SPR says spur, like in sprain.